Alrighty, about to get loaded down on our little bike excursion here. Should be pretty good. Me, Caleb, and John. We'll meet Oliver later. What? No way it happened to yours too. On our way. Just departing. Well, approaching the perimeter highway. Don't know what happened. About to cross the perimeter. Oh, shoot. I did.
I don't know what's so gonna get it.
They call somebody? Just saw a crazy accident happen right in front of us. Semi cut off a vehicle on the highway. Entering Duggold. Pretty good. Are we going like 90? Yeah. Well, meeting Oliver over here. Oliver is here making a video.
Oh, nice.
Welcome to Enola. Detour to Steinbach? Don't you have to be there tomorrow, Oliver?
I mean, honestly, yeah.
Yeah, we could just bike to Steinbach.
You really? Oh man, I put my.
Got some snacks and Enola here. Pretty good. I'd fight it.
Black mirror.
Well, we're getting close to the highway, which will be good. Just saw a bear.
It's a fucking bear!
You're actually scared of a black bear.
Lure the bear to our campsite by leaving food out.
That's a crazy jump they just did. Well, we're taking a gander at our spots here. Well, another bear has been spotted. Second one. Well, we have reached our destination. Beautiful. Brought these fellas to check it out. Gonna find a spot to set up camp. Be pretty good. Just throwing rocks. Uh-oh. Oh shoot!
Oh my god!
Well, kind of is.
Just don't. You're not supposed to use it.
The bike's already stopped.
Maybe because you have your brakes on. They're on. They're on. It's quite nice.
Yeah. But are we gonna go get it if it's raining? Yes.
Yeah.
I would go anywhere to get that water. Really?
Oh, it does.
It is raining a little bit.
Yeah, we're on the south side. South.
Very beautiful. Packing our stuff. Mosquitoes are horrible. Oh. Well, we're on our way back today. The road is horrible.
GoPro.
That's a pretty big bear. What? Okay. Flat tire. Well, Caleb got a flat tire. Attempted to patch it. It's fixed. Hopefully Caleb's second flat tire. With another hole. Not nice. bag.
Never be the same again.
Could've still figured out. Jean is leaving. Ha 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 ha. Crossing the perimeter highway. Getting back. The end of the trip. Finally. Somebody told me. Somebody got it. Oh, my cat's